Hi, my name is Kim. I'm with 6260 Ohana, California, and today I'm going to be doing the August review of the Bibbidi Box, so unboxing. I did one of these in May, and it was okay. I want to love this company. And then I tried another subscription box, and I'll link that one down, Walt's Life, and I thought it was okay, and then realized I think I liked the Bibbidi Box better. And one of the comments we got below from one of our viewers was that people that did a subscription, a monthly subscription, seem to get better boxes than those that did a one-time box. So I thought, well, I can do a subscription and you can cancel anytime without any penalty, and maybe I get a better box and be happy with the company moving forward. So that's why I'm redoing another unboxing and hope for the best. So real quick, I'm gonna ask Brad his opinion too. Should I tell you guys what my preference is before I start, or should I wait till after the box to see if they matched?
Why don't you say your expectations first?
Okay, so this time, because I'll put my May box review for the comments below, I got several pins. So this time I said I didn't want any pins. I felt like there was better value in other things. I said that I liked Hocus Pocus. I said that I liked Haunted Mansion, Pirates of the Caribbean, Stitch. I'd really love to see a Loungefly. I'd really like to see a Loungefly mini backpack in here. And what else did I say? The Polly I love, and Fort Wilderness. So those are kind of things I said that I would like in this box. So we'll see. The difference, there was one difference right away online when I did a subscription versus the one-time gift box. There was kind of a wish list they give you on top of the preferences that you get to mark off, but I don't know if I did that in time, so I hope so, because I'd be really happy if I got my wish list item. And I'll tell you if I did or didn't. I'll tell you it has something to do with Stitch, because we love Stitch. Anyways, if not, maybe next month, if we continue. This time they wrapped it. Last time they didn't put any wrapping on it, so that was good. And turn this around. It's a different size box. Last time it was more lengthwise. Okay.
Oh, no knife.
No knife this time. You didn't get to be my Vanna White. Okay. Oh, it's an Ewok. That's an Ewok, right?
Yes.
Okay, Ewok. Got a second? Share a photo or video on Instagram. My box was curated by Becky, which is somebody different than last time. So this cute little Ewok guy. That's really cute. I like that card. Much better than the last one I got. Spoiler alert. We'll put this off to the side because I don't want to spoil it. You got pretty packaging. And I'm going to try not to look down. Okay, well, all right, guys. Oh, well, something went flying. I'll get it in a second. Okay, holy moly. All right. Oh, and there's stuff inside. Woo. All right. The Stitch Mini Fly backpack. This was what I asked for on my wish list. I think it's the only thing I asked for in my wish list. So that right there is already a one-up from last time. I will be renewing with Bibbidi Box. And staying with them. Or keeping my subscription, I should say. Oh my gosh, is this not adorable? Stitch in a pineapple. I love pineapple. I love pineapple whips. So that's perfect. Oh, and they had, I just noticed they have a little scrump on back. Okay, I'm gonna notice lots of little details with this. On the zipper, it's a little pineapple. Okay, this is definitely gonna be like my everyday when we're at the Polly bag. Okay, nice. Felt like there was stuff in here, but I guess it was just all the packing. And there is a really cute, I'll show you in the bigger pocket. Oh, nope, there was something inside. They wrapped an item for careful. And, oh, sorry. It's a Regions Beyond candle. Enjoy your treasure hunt. Always be sure to let the silver prize become fully visible and pull out of the flame before removal. Never remove on an open flame. Good advice. Okay, so this is hand poured. I don't see a scent. It's a purple. Oh, Regions Beyond. Okay, what am I thinking? It's Haunted Mansion. Duh. Okay, it's sparkly. Oh, I wonder if... it smells really good too. And I wonder if the item that's silver is Haunted Mansion theme. Ooh, okay, between the candle and this, I'm already happy. So inside, back to the Loungefly, is... okay. I don't know if you guys can see, there's like the same print inside. I'll show the upper camera. In there. Is that a really cute pattern? I love this. Oh my gosh, I'm so thrilled. Well done, Becky. You got me. Okay. Sorry, I have to go over here because it's bounced out of my bag. This looks like a bath bomb. I did say I like bath bombs, so I do. I love bath bombs. And it looks like a sunshine. Kind of looks like I'm gonna guess with the sunshine, maybe Tangled. I don't know. We'll see.
A little bit of a hit there.
Yeah, it did, but it's got a citrusy smell to it. It's yummy. All right, you guys. Even if I got 3 items, I'm beyond thrilled. This is definitely more along the lines of what I thought this company would be, but no, we're not done. Okay, this is a really pretty rose gold. I'm gonna clash a little bit, you guys, and it has the pink tag on it, so that means it's a park exclusive. This is the second box I've gotten from Bibbidi Box, and second time I've gotten ears, and I love it. Okay, they're pretty. What do you guys think? Okay, so that was everything. I am thrilled. I love absolutely every piece of this. I will use it. I have a whole different feel of the company after this experience, so maybe it was like someone said before, you're better off to have a subscription. Okay, spoiler alert. Okay, so these Briar Rose gold ears were $29.99. My candle Wishes Haunted Mansion inspired Regions Beyond was $20. That's cute for $20. I like that it had sparkles inside. I want to burn that tonight. Okay, so I got a Disney Parks exclusive basin bath bomb. Okay, so it is basin. You know what? I don't know what flavor it is because basin usually they're usually round, so I'm not sure. Maybe I'm not sure which scent this is. I haven't tried this one before, and I actually buy a lot of basin. And the Loungefly Lilo & Stitch Pineapple Floaty is $70. So my total was $125.98. So definitely well worth it. I love every item. Thank you, Becky. This was the ultimate, I'm sorry, I forgot to mention before, this is the ultimate box for Bibbidi Box, and it's $119. So my value, like I said before, was $125.98. So really, I got for just about what I paid for, which is fine. And I was really happy with it. I don't care because this Loungefly backpack is amazing, and I would definitely I wanted this. So this was my checked off wish list item. So yeah, a great August box into September. I can't wait to do a September box, so we'll do an unboxing again next month. So I'm gonna say goodbye and find your magic. Bye everyone.